So, do you want to return the current time to the second? You can, using the now function in a cell that has the time number format applied. The problem, though, is this function does not live up to its name, as it becomes out of sync a second after you've confirmed the formula. Unfortunately, this is a limitation of Excel's calculation engine. You can hold down the F9 key to continually refresh your workbook to obtain the latest time, but let's face it, this is not very practical nor desirable. The solution is to use VBA. With the Developer tab enabled, go to the Insert dropdown and choose Button. Draw it on your worksheet to open the Assign macro window. Give it a name and click New. In the module window, let's start writing the code. The first thing I'll do is declare the public variable IsRunning as a Boolean, which is capable of returning two possible states, true or false. This will be used for the button's toggle functionality. Inside the sub-procedure, construct an if statement to check if the IsRunning variable is in the true state. In other words, is this macro currently running? If it is, then it needs to switch off when you click the button. Otherwise, it will turn on or continue running. The error handling statement on error resume next ensures the macro will not be disrupted if you edit a cell. Now we need to create a do-while loop that executes code while the IsRunning variable is active. Include the doEvents function to allow user interaction with the workbook while the macro runs without seeing that annoying blue loading ring. To display the time in cell A1 of the worksheet object sheet1, use the time value function. Close the loop and end the if statement. We can now return to the Excel window and click the button. The current time now updates automatically and stops if I click the button again. You can use this concept for all kinds of things. How about an alarm clock? Or a task scheduler? If only we could do this without VBA.